Hi, I'm Scott Anderson. I'm the Director of Golf and Instruction at River Oaks Golf Course. Today, basically, I want to teach you how to hit the ball when it's resting on the ground. We got two examples here on the ground. Basically, once you hit your tee shot, your ball will either be in the fairway, which is this example here, or your ball will be in the rough, which is this right here. When the ball is resting on the ground, for the ball to go up, you must swing down. So I'll start here with the ball here in the rough. Since the grass is a little bit longer, what we want to do is we really want to come down more steeply on the ball because we got a lot of long grass that get in between the ball and the club face, and that can really affect the way the ball travels. So let me give you an example here. Just like that, as you can see, basically you'll see a bunch of grass fly. That's when you know you've done it right. So you want to come down steeply and don't be afraid to hit the ground a little bit. When the ball's resting in the fairway like this, it's a little bit easier to hit. You don't have so much long grass behind the ball, but same thing still applies. You want to get in our stance, you want to hit down on the ball, and don't be afraid to hit the ground a little bit. Just like that.